Yo, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. So for today's video, we are going to be going over to the homie Neri's house with the red C6 Grand Sport, and we're going to be helping him install his he got like clear side markers for the side of the Vette, because I think the stock ones are either red or orange and it's like kind of popping out, so he wants to fix it. But before we go over there, I'm going to put gas in the Vette. Let's see how much it fills up with, because prices in Cali right now are like almost $7, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, let's see how much the car fills up with real quick. The car is super dirty. Need to wash it, but let's see. Still going.
Advance your latest savings. Buy two 500 milliliter Maison Perriers and get one for free. Only in Rocket.
$91. Crazy. $91 for 288 miles. Just going straight into track mode too. All right, guys, I'll pick up the camera once I get over to the homie Neri's house. All right, guys, we just pulled up. We got the homie Neri right here with this C6 Grand Sport, and then we got my C8 there. He got these clear ones. These are sick. He's got the stock red ones right now. Did you get the front ones too, or no?
Yeah, the front ones are in the...
Oh, that's sick. Yeah, see, so the front ones are orange. It's definitely gonna look cleaner. Cars look sick, but yeah, it's a pretty straightforward install. I think all you do is just take off the one screw it had,
and then and then you can see
up
the
there. Yeah, and then through
right
here
there.
you can see it. So
Stick
you
your
can
head
just
in there and pop
that out. You want me to hold this one?
Yeah.
You can pop it out.
Oh shit! Hold on. Let me see where. Hold on, let me.
Is there a little clip? Sometimes you slide them back.
Let me see. Let me stick my hand in there.
Yeah. So yeah, it has those two little clips right there. You just kind of pinch those, and then it pops it right out, and then you can just take the light off.
Yeah.
And plug the new one in.
Take this off. Where's the clip?
Yeah, that should just slide
There we
out.
go. And then we have these updated clear, so it goes like that. Let's see how the fuck do I connect this shit?
So yeah, you pull out the bulb from where'd it go? Oh, you have it?
No, it's right there, yeah.
From this part, and then you take off the bulb, and then you plug this in, because if you try to plug this directly into
It won't slide in.
It won't match.
Right. So
Yeah, so
there's
that's it.
that.
And then it just clips right in. You want to unlock it, make sure it
See the test it out.
there you go. Yeah, see, now that lights up red. Much cleaner
Yeah, it goes with the
tail lights in the back.
Definitely.
So clean.
And before it was just like a dot.
Yeah, yeah, so it wouldn't light up before, right?
No, it was just
Much
like a
cleaner.
circle. It was like a circle.
All right, and for the front, you just turn the wheel in, and it's gonna have these little Torx bit screws. It's got 5 of them right here. And then you pull the liner back, and you should be able to see the light in there. And it just pops out. It has 2 clips. And then yeah, take the bulb out, and that's the new one right there.
Get this on.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's crazy that the C8 doesn't have any. The cars look sick together. Oh, there we go.
Literally pop them back in. Done.
That's it. And then just put the screws back and then repeat on the other side.
Damn,
looks so
bro.
clean.
Oh yeah, it looks way better. That's crazy.
That one's on too right there, the red. So clean. All right guys, so that was it for the install. We're about to go get some food real quick. The car looks so clean. I'll try to get some like rollers of it right now. I love the circle tail lights. So clean. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.